From tiny seeds grow mighty giants. Trees, Earth's lungs, essential for life. We need them, they thrive without us. Now discover nature's most extraordinary trees. In the world's harshest deserts where rain may not fall for months, one remarkable tree defies the odds: the baobab. These ancient giants, some over 1,000 years old, have perfected the art of survival by storing hundreds of thousands of liters of water within their massive, sponge-like trunks. A baobab's secret lies in its porous wood, which absorbs water like a natural reservoir. During rare rainy seasons, the tree drinks deeply, storing enough moisture to endure years of drought. But this survival trick makes baobabs prime targets. Elephants, desperate for water, often smash their trunks to reach the moist interior. Humans too have learned to harness these living wells through an ingenious method. Human ingenuity meets ancient wisdom. In Madagascar's drought-stricken west, where dry spells last 10 months, baobabs become literal lifesavers. Villagers carefully hollow out their trunks to create water tanks, following strict rules. Harvesting only in dry season to prevent rot. Waiting 6 months before filling to let the tree heal. Maintaining the tank by trimming regrowth. When rains finally come, entire villages work feverishly to fill their baobabs before the precious water evaporates. Just one tree can sustain a community for months. Some ancient baobabs naturally form enormous hollows that humans have used as homes and storage rooms, shops, and even a famous bar. South Africa's Sunland baobab could host 15 people. Sacred spaces and, legend says, temporary prisons. But even these resilient giants aren't immortal. In 2017, the iconic 1,100-year-old Sunland baobab collapsed, taking its legendary pub with it. Baobabs aren't just trees, they're entire ecosystems supporting animals and humans alike. Yet their water-hoarding strategy isn't nature's only solution to desert survival. Here in the deserts of Socotra, a remote island in the Arabian Sea, the dry season is brutal. Yet this bizarre-looking tree thrives against all odds. The secret lies in its otherworldly shape. Meet the dragon's blood tree, Dracaena cinnabari. These umbrella-shaped giants grow on barren hilltops where soil is virtually non-existent. But they've found an ingenious water source. Precious morning dew coats the ground. The tree's waxy, dense leaves channel every drop downward, funneling moisture along branches to the trunk, then directly to its roots. Here, not a single drop can be wasted. Even spilled water gets a second chance. The tree's sprawling canopy acts like a natural parasol, slowing evaporation. Shade keeps the ground cool enough for water to seep deeper, while protecting surface roots from scorching heat. But one tree grows where even deserts seem hospitable, in the middle of the ocean. Defying biology, these trees thrive in saltwater thanks to incredible adaptations, specialized roots with wart-like pores that absorb air at low tide. A natural desalination system filtering out 99% of salt. Salt-dumping leaves that yellow and fall. This evolutionary marvel created vast tidal forests. Daily flooding submerges entire ecosystems. Aerial roots, like rhizopteras, anchor trees in shifting mud. Small fish hide in mollusk-carved tunnels during low tide. Mini octopuses hunt trapped fish in shrinking water pockets. Danger peaks as oxygen drops, all await the returning tide. People also have their own interests and hunt for worms that live in the roots of this tree. Shipworms, 1 m-long mollusks, turn roots into Swiss cheese. Locals prize these as delicacies, smashing trees to harvest them. Worms die instantly when exposed to air. Nature's bizarre phenomena, burning and gushing trees. Devil's trees. When nature burns from within. Almost anywhere on Earth, you might stumble upon this surreal sight. Trees that burn like torches from the inside out. Called devil trees, they can smolder for days, a natural phenomenon caused entirely by lightning strikes. When bolts hit hollow, dry trunks, perfect chimney-like drafts let fire rage vertically while leaving the exterior deceptively intact. The opposite extreme, a tree that pours water. Meanwhile, in Montenegro, a 30-year-old mulberry tree has become legendary as a water tree. After heavy rains, mountain springs pressurize underground, forcing water up through its hollow trunk to create a spontaneous arboreal fountain. This is how trees continue to amaze us with the boundless ingenuity of nature.